Welcome back to ZK Skybound Aviation, the channel where innovation, luxury, and technology come together as we explore the most advanced vehicles and designs of the future. Today we are diving into an extraordinary creation, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV, a vehicle that takes Volvo's legendary reputation for safety, Scandinavian design, and sustainable technology and blends it with the comfort and functionality of a world-class recreational vehicle. The exterior design of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is instantly captivating, showcasing a bold modern silhouette with smooth Scandinavian lines that exude elegance and strength. The body is crafted with lightweight yet durable composite materials to enhance both efficiency and performance. The signature Volvo grille is reimagined for this RV with chrome and black accents that give it a commanding presence. Full LED matrix headlights, adaptive cornering beams, and dynamic daytime running lights ensure safety and visibility, while the panoramic windshield provides incredible visibility for the driver. The RV also features retractable side awnings, solar panel integration on the roof, and large tinted windows that offer both privacy and natural light. With aerodynamics carefully engineered, this motorhome glides through highways with ease while maximizing fuel efficiency. Stepping inside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV welcomes you into an interior that reflects true Scandinavian luxury. Minimalistic yet elegant, the cabin uses high-quality sustainable materials such as eco-friendly wood, recycled composites, and premium vegan leather. The spacious living area is designed for both relaxation and productivity, with ergonomic seating, customizable ambient lighting, and a large smart entertainment system integrated seamlessly into the walls. The kitchen is equipped with modern smart appliances including an induction cooktop, convection oven, dual-zone refrigerator, and voice-controlled coffee system. The dining and lounge area easily converts into additional sleeping space, making the RV versatile for both families and solo travelers. The bedroom in the Volvo Motorhome RV feels like a sanctuary on wheels, featuring a queen-size bed with adaptive memory foam, temperature-regulated bedding, and smart glass windows that can shift from transparent to opaque with a touch. The bathroom is equally luxurious with a rainfall shower, eco-efficient water system, heated flooring, and antimicrobial surfaces that keep the space hygienic. Every detail is designed to maximize comfort, space, and practicality while staying true to Volvo's philosophy of sustainable luxury. Performance is a key area where Volvo has redefined the motorhome experience. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is powered by a next-generation hybrid system that combines a turbocharged engine with electric motors, delivering excellent performance while maintaining efficiency. It produces over 700 horsepower, ensuring strong acceleration and smooth handling despite its size. Equipped with an advanced air suspension system, the motorhome adapts to road conditions, offering a smooth ride whether on highways, city streets, or rugged terrains. The all-wheel drive system enhances stability, while multiple drive modes allow the driver to choose between eco, comfort, and performance depending on travel needs. Technology inside the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is both futuristic and intuitive. The digital cockpit comes with a high-resolution display, AI-powered navigation, and real-time weather and traffic updates. A semi-autonomous driving system allows the RV to handle long highway journeys with minimal driver input, increasing convenience and safety. Smart connectivity ensures seamless integration with smartphones, tablets, and wearable devices, enabling remote control over lighting, temperature, and appliances. The motorhome is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, making it one of the safest RVs in its class. One of the standout features of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is its commitment to sustainability. With solar panels built into the roof, regenerative braking systems, and energy-efficient appliances, it ensures long travel periods with reduced environmental impact. The hybrid system provides impressive fuel efficiency, and the onboard energy storage units can power the RV for off-grid adventures, allowing travelers to explore remote destinations without compromising on comfort. In terms of specifications, the motorhome measures over 36 feet in length, offering a balance of spacious interiors and manageable road presence. It can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, with modular sleeping arrangements and abundant storage integrated into hidden compartments. Safety has been prioritized with advanced driver assistance features and Volvo's world-renowned crash safety systems adapted for RV use. Buyers will also have the option to customize the motorhome with different interior layouts, luxury finishes, and exterior color palettes to match their personal preferences. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV is not just about traveling from one place to another, it is about redefining the journey itself. It combines Volvo's unmatched expertise in safety and design with forward-thinking technology and sustainable innovation. Whether for long-distance travel, family adventures, or simply experiencing the ultimate comfort on the road, this RV sets a new standard for modern luxury motorhomes. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome RV. If you enjoyed learning about its design, specs, and features, make sure to give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more futuristic vehicle reviews, aviation insights, and luxury innovation showcases, don't forget to subscribe to ZK Skybound Aviation and stay connected with us as we continue exploring the most extraordinary creations of tomorrow.